If you're new into trading and tired of losing money or feeling confused, listen carefully. In the next few seconds, I'm gonna show you a simple step-by-step way beginners are using to start making smart trades, even with small capital using RunQuilly trading bots. So all you need is your Binance account. Make sure it's funded because this is what you'll need to fund your RunQuilly account. And I'll show you on how to fund, on how to trade, and how to make profits, and on how to withdraw. All done live and for learning purposes. So let's start. For you to fund your RunQuilly account, just come click on deposit. Make sure that your account is fully verified. Fully verified means that you verify your KYC and your email. So you'll just come click on one crypto coin that you want to fund, obviously what you bought in your Binance. Then you'll click continue. You enter amount, let's say 500. Then you click continue, you copy your address, then you go to Binance and withdraw to that address. Mine was funded so that we don't prolong the video, and I just want to show you on how to trade and on how to withdraw. Remember, if you get any problem, you are free to reach me out because I'll guide you for free. I don't charge for guidance. So you'll come, oh, I need to unlock these bots. Let me unlock. So now we can proceed, and remember the bots now have stop loss and take profit. So you can set that, relax, enjoy as the bot does its work. So you should check also the minimum, but also RunQuilly helps you analyze the market. When we say automated, means that even when you don't hit the minimum of the bot, it will be locked. So you don't have to go for it and make losses. So I had analyzed one, and today you can also trade with as minimum as 27 USDTs. Nobody can not afford that. So I had seen this one for 100. It's running on profits. Let me just start my bot, and I'll be trading with 1,000 USDTs, and we see what we'll make. Remember, I told you can set your take profit and stop loss, but for me, I don't set that. If you have any doubts, that's what you can do. Or you are just growing, you just set that one. So the bot has already started, and we are lucky it has started with profits. Let me check my live chart. You can see this candlestick, a very tall one. So it's go tall. Another one, we are going up, by the way, guys. Green means you're making profits. Red, if you see a red candlestick like this one, which has formed, be sure that's a loss. Be sure that's a loss. You can see our entry point, it's here. So right now we are somewhere there. So we can check it very good. Can see the market trend is up. So I want to make a withdrawal. That's a loss. As it's trading, let's make a withdrawal very fast of 300. So I'll just come. You can see this is real money. Selling means I've sold to my local currency. This is real money, guys. I'll just click on add funds, then click on deposit, then click on USDT. I want to withdraw USDT, then TRC20. Remember, you can use any network. Then I copy my address. I go to my RunQuilly. Let's check our trade first. It's a loss. You can see 3 losses. 1, 2, 3. A big one. This 2 means the loss was very big, and this one means the profit was somehow big. So this is the recovery candle. You can see. Then we are going up. That's how it works. So let's go back and click here on withdraw. I want to withdraw some 300 for breakfast. Then active trades, the funds are locked there. So I'll just paste my address for Binance. Then I'll enter 302. 2 is for transaction fee and review Yeah, 301 is okay. Then one will be deducted with RunQuilly, obviously. One is for Binance and confirm. So we wait. Withdrawal doesn't take that long, and I'll show you with our trade how it's going. You see that? You see that? The deposit has arrived. The deposit has arrived. We have nothing to hide. We have nothing to hide because what we are doing is legit and working. You can see 968 right now. Let's go to RunQuilly and check. Our trade is doing great. Double, guys. This is more than double. Let's check. Wow. Wow. You can see the chart. Uptrend. A very big one. Wow, wow, wow. Let's go and check. Let's go and check our withdrawal history. Withdrawal history not showing there. Let me check transaction history. Think it's because of network. Let me check it here very fast. You can see approved, and it's completing because my funds have arrived. So that's how you make profits, you trade, you fund, and you withdraw all in one video. This is the best video that you'll get because it has everything that you need. I'll pin it so that you guys can make profits. You can see the progress here and everything. Amazing. Our trade is going on. I won't stop it. Let it make profits to the maximum.